Hi, my name is Belzorli, and I'll be showing you how to bandage an ankle. So what we use is RICE, which means rest, ice, compression, and elevate. And what it means to rest is making sure that the injury doesn't get worse by putting too much pressure on it. So if you have a broken ankle or something, and you're still using that ankle, like in sports, it can cause more damage to the injury. Thank you. So you have to pull this a little tight, but not too tight to the point it becomes discolored or, hold on, I gotta put my phone on mute. It comes discolored or loses circulation. So you put 3 inches above the ankle. And then you put this on so it can keep the bandage from loosening, like that. And if it is too tight, you can loosen it up a little bit. So I'm gonna loosen it up now. Here's a more loose. And if that's too loose, you can just go back and tighten it back up. Like that. So after you're done doing that, you can check the circulation like this and make sure, or you can ask the patient, do you feel the circulation? Do you feel it too tight, too loose?
No, it feels good.
Okay, so that's what you would have to do. And it doesn't feel too tight, and it's not, you can still move it, so it's good. And after that, you would put a cold pack on the injury. You put it on for only 20 to 15 minutes. You keep taking it on and off every 2 to 3 hours, or even 24 hours if it's really bad. And then you can use other things for a cold pack. You can use a cold wash rag, or you can put ice cubes in a Ziploc bag and wrap it in paper towel, and that would be a great ice pack. And you want to have a barrier too, so if this is too cold, you can just put like a wash rag on it, and then that could be a barrier. And then, yeah. Okay, then you elevate the leg above the heart. I need to back up. You elevate the leg above the heart for at least 2 to 3 hours a day. It can help the swelling go down and have great health benefits. So it has to be in a comfortable position. Yeah.